Yung guys, magpapalit kami ng valve seal guys. Kasi sira yung valve seal niya. Papalitan namin. Ang sayang na sige. Kaya ko surat. Surat ko. Give it. Uy. Ito yung papalitan natin guys, valve seal. Ito guys, oh. Ito guys, papalitan natin, valve seal. Sige lang guys. Ito yung papalitan natin guys, valve seal. Guys, nakabit na namin guys. Yan guys, nakabit na namin yung padlock guys. Ito guys, okay na guys, nakabit na namin. Tune up na sa guys, mag-tune up.